Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to log in into UBank on iPhone in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone using Face ID or Touch ID. Ensure your phone is connected to the internet using Wi-Fi or mobile data. Step 2. Open the UBank app. Next, tap the UBank app icon on your home screen. Then you will be taken to the login or welcome screen. Step 3. Enter your login details. On the login screen, enter your username or registered mobile number. Then type in your password. If prompt, enable Face ID or Touch ID for faster and more secure future logins. Step 4. Complete security verification. For your security, UBank may require you to confirm your identity using Face ID, enter a one-time PIN, OTP set to your registered mobile number, or approve the login request in the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to continue. Step 5. Access your account. Once verification is completed, you will be logged into your UBank dashboard where you can view your account balance, make payments, manage accounts and cards, and that's how you can log in into UBank using an iPhone. For your security, always log out when using a shared or public device. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.